Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you year model 2006 Honda Accord. I'm going to replace the headlight, and the headlights we're going to use, these are 9006 halogen lamp. Mine is burned out on the left side, so I'm going to change it and I'll show you how it's easy to do it. Under the hood, we will go behind the light housing, and this is the white plug. So we're going to rotate it anti-clockwise. The bulb will come out. In order to take the bulb out, that's the clip. We need to press that clip. Once you press the clip, it releases that bulb and we pull it out. That's the old one and this is the new one. So this is the brand new bulb and that's the old one. So we're going to put it back in, and that's same way we put it in and press it. And now we're going to go back and we're going to put it in. Once you place it, turn it clockwise. As you see, it locks in. So now we turn the light on. As you can see, nice and bright. So that's how it's easy to change your headlight bulb on year model 2006 Honda Accord. If this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.